Hey guys, this is Paris of Face Paint with Paris and welcome back to another video. And today's video is extra special because I have a little model here and we're going to show you how to create this super girly unicorn. So stay tuned.
Get this with the paintbrush. Hi, have Kryvaline. Hi, Sam. I can see you from over here.
First thing I'm going to do is load my brush with this rainbow split and paint a rainbow in the center of the forehead. Then with the same load, I'm going to sweep across her eyes just to give it some eyeshadow and some interest. While the paint is still wet, you want to just poof on some glitter. Next, I'm going to grab this flat brush and dip into some blue and white to make my ears. So the shape I do my ears in is kind of like a curvy petal and I like doing it in this shape because it adds a really nice flow to a really girly design, and I really enjoy that. If you haven't already, you can head over to Instagram and follow me at Face Paint with Paris. On there, you'll see me post more regularly. Just quickly loading my brush again, and now I'm gonna add some ribbons to either side of the eye. Any sort of design of ribbon will do, just make sure that it comes down to the front of the cheek. Now I'm gonna use a unicorn stencil and then just daub on some white. And while the paint is still wet, again, you want to poof on some glitter because this look is all about the glitter. And it looks like she really loves the glitter too. Now I'm going to do some double dip flowers, and I'm just grabbing some pink from my flower wheel, and I'm going to do large focal point flowers and then kind of go across the forehead. Here you can add as many flowers as you want, but I tend to just do a few and leave some room for some more swirls and curls or another stencil. Next, I'm going to grab my star stencil. The link to this will be down in the description box below. I'm going to put this just to fill in those empty spaces. And if you haven't already, hit that thumbs up icon and give this video a like, and also subscribe if you want to see more content. Now I'm going to add some glitter. This is Cupcake Day by Amerikan body art, and I'm just going to liberally put this all over because I really want this to be a very glittery, pretty look. If you notice, you can see that I'm applying this with a spatula. I like this tool because it keeps my hands free of glitter. Now I'm going to apply some kid lipstick, and she was really excited about this, to her lips. Now this step is optional, and I know some people may not like to see their kids with lipstick, but I personally enjoy it. And so here's the finished look, complete with the princess tiara. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.